Welcome back to Next Gen Drive, the channel where we explore the future of automobiles, the engineering marvels that push boundaries, and the machines that redefine luxury and performance. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in the automotive world, a vehicle that has stood as a symbol of power, prestige, and off-road dominance for decades. I'm talking about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a new chapter in the story of an SUV that has never compromised on its DNA while constantly evolving to meet modern demands. The 2026 G-Wagon is immediately recognizable from a distance. Mercedes hasn't abandoned the iconic boxy design that enthusiasts and celebrities alike have come to love. Instead, they've refined it. The exterior is sharper, more aerodynamic, and slightly more sculpted without losing the commanding stance that makes the G-Class so distinct. The front fascia has been updated with slimmer LED headlights that integrate seamlessly into a refreshed grille featuring an illuminated three-pointed star. The vertical lines remain strong, giving the SUV that timeless military-inspired look, but now it's dressed in futuristic elegance. The wheel arches are bolder, housing massive 22-inch alloy wheels that come in multiple design options, each engineered not only for aesthetics but also for performance and rugged durability. The 2026 model is slightly lighter thanks to extensive use of aluminum and high-strength composites, improving efficiency without losing toughness. The body panels are more resistant to scratches and dents, a nod to the fact that this SUV isn't just about city streets but also about conquering rocky trails and harsh terrain. At the rear, the traditional exposed spare wheel remains, but the taillights are thinner, with a sleek LED bar that gives the G-Wagon a modern touch. Overall, it's a perfect mix of tradition and innovation. Performance has always been at the heart of the G-Wagon's identity, and the 2026 version raises the bar yet again. Mercedes is offering multiple powertrain options, starting with an advanced inline-six engine paired with a mild hybrid system for improved fuel efficiency and instant torque delivery. But the real headline is the new AMG G63 variant, powered by a re-engineered twin-turbo V8 that delivers an astonishing 680 horsepower. This allows the SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, which is mind-blowing considering its size and weight. The engine has been tuned for both raw power and smoother, quieter operation, reflecting the brand's focus on performance blended with refinement. For those looking toward a greener future, Mercedes has also unveiled the fully electric G-Wagon, known as the EQG. This version comes with 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, enabling unmatched torque vectoring and off-road control. It's equipped with a 120 kWh battery pack that provides around 300 miles of real-world range. Thanks to its unique electric drivetrain, the EQG can perform a tank turn, spinning on its axis for unparalleled maneuverability in tight spots. Charging is equally impressive, with ultra-fast DC charging giving you up to 80% battery in just 30 minutes. Driving dynamics have been enhanced across the lineup. The suspension system has been reworked with adaptive dampers and a new electronic sway bar disconnect feature, allowing for better articulation on rough trails. The steering is sharper, giving drivers more confidence on highways, while the off-road capabilities remain second to none. Whether it's mud, sand, snow, or rocky mountain paths, the G-Wagon continues to prove why it's considered the ultimate luxury off-roader. The all-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and improved ground clearance make sure there's no compromise when leaving the pavement behind. Step inside, and the 2026 G-Wagon doesn't just feel luxurious, it feels futuristic. Mercedes has blended ruggedness with opulence in a way only they can. The cabin is dominated by dual widescreen displays powered by the latest MBUX interface, now with AI-driven personalization that adapts to your driving habits. Voice commands are more natural, and augmented reality navigation overlays directions directly onto the road view in the digital cluster. Materials inside are exquisite, hand-stitched Napa leather, Open-pore wood trims and brushed aluminum accents create a cabin that feels both classic and cutting-edge. Ambient lighting now features over 64 customizable colors, giving drivers the ability to set the mood for any journey. Space is generous, with improved seating comfort thanks to redesigned ergonomic seats that come with heating, cooling, and even massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy more legroom, and the panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the otherwise fortress-like cabin. Sound insulation has been taken to the next level, making the interior whisper quiet, even when you're pushing the engine hard or tackling off-road conditions. The Burmester 3D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, offering one of the richest audio experiences in any SUV on the market. Safety and technology also play a massive role in the 2026 G-Wagon. Advanced driver assistance features now come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system with augmented off-road views that let you see through the hood to better navigate obstacles. Mercedes is pushing towards semi-autonomous driving, and the G-Wagon benefits from these innovations without taking away from the thrill of being behind the wheel. The 2026 Mercedes G-Wagon is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a statement. It represents heritage, power, and presence, but also innovation, sustainability, and future-ready technology. Whether you choose the thunderous AMG G63, the efficient mild hybrid, or the groundbreaking electric EQG, the G-Wagon continues to dominate streets and trails while redefining what it means to drive a true legend. This is not just an evolution of an icon, it's the future of one. And once again, Mercedes proves that the G-Wagon is in a class of its own. That wraps up today's review on the 2026 G-Wagon here on Next Gen Drive. If you love exploring the future of cars and want more deep dives into upcoming models, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for what's next.